Alright, here we go. Gonna do a flower expansion with the Winchester Super X 350 Legend 180 grain. These are flying out. Yes, we're gonna read off the back of the box. Out of the muzzle. And this is through a 20-inch barrel. They're ballistics here. The muzzle is 2,100 feet per second at 50 yards. It's 926 feet per second. And the trajectory is 1.5 minus and then plus 1.5. And the energy is 1762 out the muzzle and 1483 at 50 yards. So let's get this expansion done and see what happens. A little windy, got impact, blowing a nice hole at the back. Got it going in. Got our flowerish leaf flower. Nice little warm hole. Still punching through the second set of jeans, what it looks like. And here we go. Into the third. So we're going to take this back, take a look at it. Alright, here we go. Did that shot. Nice bullet. I do believe I've already done this video once before, but if I did, oh well, reruns are good sometimes. But here we go. Got very nice expansion going through the flower. Really digging it. Nice little dome on there. Let's just see what we got on the expansion for the 350. Yeah, well, that's in millimeters. We're in America, so there we go. That's a 0.66 on the expansion. Not too shabby. And then let's see what we got on the weight. 180 grain. And it is still 176. Well, there's a little wind going on out here. We'll call it 176. That's where little came up to. So yeah, roughly 176 is bouncing around because of the wind. So like I said, held the retention, went through, got caught at the beginning of the third set of blue jeans folded up. So that ain't a bad bullet. Shooting out of a short barrel. Savage Axis. Love these rifles with the short barrel. You know, if you're in the blind or whatever, it's real easy maneuverability and things like that, especially if you're in a little pill box. But there you go. Thanks for watching.